This is Jeanette, and today I am sharing the mantle that I decorated here in my living room for 23 Christmas. We're going to start out by showing you this picture, and it's an old picture I found at a thrift store. And we're going to say hello to the people because they are greeting. And I guess he's welcoming them to come inside. Wish we could go inside, but we can only look at the outside, you guys. But this is an old screen. I'm going to go to the top and show you. This is an old screen, and I got it at an antique store. And I really like that screen. So what I did, I found this picture. As you guys can see, look how beautiful that is. I really like that picture. And I found this picture and I put it in behind the screen. I cut off the border that was around the picture because it was white, and I just wanted the picture, to show up itself, because it really is a beautiful picture, I think. And right over here is a little lamp of mine, and I thought it would be cute to set on some books and make it look like a lantern for the nighttime, and I just thought that was so pretty to put together. And also, I have these trees. They're pencil trees. And I put one on each side of the picture. And I like that as well. Here's the other one. It's the same. They're just alike. And I thought, well, I'm going to put them up on the mantle here. So what I did that. And then I had this cotton. They're like little snowballs. And you can get this cotton at any of the stores, where they sell crafts and things. And I love decorating with this cotton because, like I said, it looks like little snowballs. So I just sprinkle that around. As you can tell here on the barn, right there where the cows are at, I put it on there like there's snow. And up here in the trees and at the top of the screen, it looks like there's snow. And also on the trees. So when snow comes down, it just falls anywhere and everywhere. But we also got to have a little garland. And I had these old beads that I used as a garland. Simple. And also, let's not forget the ice cubes. I got these at the Dollar Tree. They light up, but the battery's not working in them now. So I just thought, well, it doesn't matter. They're just ice cubes. You got to have ice cubes, right? Because it wouldn't be Christmas without all that snow and all the ice cubes hanging around. So this is what it looks like, you guys. And I hope that you guys like what I did this year, because it's different. And I like different things, and that's how I like to design, is think of things different. And I got one more little corner here on the bookshelf. Right over to the left of it, here is the manger scene, and I like that. It's a little metal looking manger scene. I think that's so pretty. And I hanged a little angel right there down from the star. So that's another little piece that I did. So I can back up here and I can show you guys the whole entire thing. I'm going to keep backing up. Isn't that pretty? So that's this year's 2023 mantle for Christmas. Thank you guys for all, and thanks to my new subscribers. I appreciate y'all, and I will be talking to you next week. I'm going to put up a house tour on all of the places in my house that I decorated. I hope that you like it, and I hope that you can watch it because it's different. You guys have a good day and Merry Christmas. Talk to you later. Bye.